So for these problems here, we are looking at finding the area of a trapezium. So for the first thing we need to know is the formula, and the formula is half lots of a plus b times by the height, and that is going to get us the area. Now a plus b is we need to recognise the parallel lines. Okay, a and b can be either of these, it doesn't matter which one. Usually we put a on top and b at the bottom. So for this one, it will be half lots of 6 plus 10, and then we'll times that by the height, which is 3, because that's the perpendicular height. 5 is a given measurement that we don't need to use for this, okay? So 6 plus 10 is 16, and that'll be times by a half, and then times by 3. Half of 16, so we're going to multiply this out first, is 8, and that would be times by 3, which is 24. So for this one, this is the area. For the second one, we are given the area and we have to find the missing side. So if we refer back to the formula, okay, we know that these are the parallel sides. So this can be A and this can be B. Therefore, we get a half lots of 6 plus x times by the height, and that gives us an answer of 34. Now we need to rearrange this to find x. So the first inverse I'm going to do is obviously brackets being times by a half. So I'm going to divide both sides by a half. So that cancels out the half this side. And then, so divide by half is the same as times in by 2, which is 68. Then the brackets being times by 4, so to get rid of the 4, we have to do the inverse, which is divide by 4, and that leaves us with 17. Then we're adding 6 in the bracket here, so we need to do the inverse of that, which is take away, so x equals 11. Please pause the video now and have a go at the next two. Excellent. So we have to remember the formula, half lots of a plus b times by the height. These are the parallel sides, so this must be a and this can be b. So it's half of 9 plus 15 times by the height, which is 4. 9 plus 15 is 24. Going to get us the area. So half of 24 is 12, and then we'll times that by 4, which is 48. So the answer is 48 centimeters squared. Okay, the next one here, we have to find a missing side. This time we are actually looking for the height. This is A, this is B. So let's write out the formula. And the area is 63. So a half lots of 6 plus 12, and we are trying to find the height is equal to 63. So 6 plus 12 is 18. And we're going to times it by a half this time. So half of 18 is 9. So to get rid of the 9 here, because it would be 9 times x, we're going to divide both sides by 9. So x equals 7. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.